So today we're at MFR, which is owned by a good buddy of mine, Marcus Fry. He's an amazing fabricator, and he is going to adapt a CFC unit into our stock S13 tank for our street car. So the gist of this is we want to add some surge protection and also some additional fuel pumps into the factory fuel system of our S13. And so what we're going to do is he's going to cut out on his plasma table a ring that adapts this top hat, just like a fuel cell would have, into our stock tank. So here we go. A pretty cool concept, huh? Making a stock tank a fuel cell.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's going to do the job and allow you to have a lot more fuel supply than you would have through a stock 5/16 nipple.
And without the starvation of a stock tank.
Exactly, because this will have its own sump box and everything to keep the fuel around the pump where it needs to be.
And all the stock tanks that have the baffles in them, they always break and they end up floating around in the tank. So a lot more sturdy, a lot more reliable. So you did silicone brazing. How'd you weld it in there?
So I secured the ring onto the tank with silicon bronze, and you do it with a TIG welding machine, and it basically allows you to fuse the two pieces of material without actually melting the material that you're fusing. So it's like really high temp solder, but a lot stronger.
It prevents warpage.
Exactly. Yeah, less chance of warping what you're welding while you're welding it, because this is really thin material.
Nice. Thank you.
Right on.